Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering the pieces that make this work: the switch dock, an HDMI cable, a USB 3.0 capture card, and your laptop with USB 3.0. Once done, install the capture drivers and OBS so the software is ready. Make sure the dock's USB-C power supply is available. Without power, the dock won't output. You want a direct USB 3.0 connection for low latency, so plug the capture card into a rear port if possible, then proceed to cabling. Now connect the dock's HDMI OUT to the capture card's HDMI in, then plug the capture card into your laptop's USB 3.0 port. You should power the dock with its USB-C charger. This enables the HDMI output. Open OBS or your capture software and add a video capture source. Select the capture card device. Once selected, set resolution and frame rate. Use 720p 60 fps for consistent performance, or 1000. Finish by placing the switch into the dock and confirming it enters docked mode. You'll see the capture source show video. If you don't, first verify the dock's power brick is connected and the LED indicates power. No power means no HDMI. Next, reset the HDMI cable and try a different USB 3.0 port and confirm drivers are installed. If you still get no signal, restart the console and laptop, or temporarily lower capture resolution to reduce bandwidth until stable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.